Hi, what's up dear all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to work inverter. This is 1500 watt inverter, DC 12 volt to AC 230 volt. So it is 1500 watt DC to AC solar power inverter. Now we can check it actually power, what is the power this inverter. So let's go. We are at first check it. This is terminals of DC source supply. So here positive source 12 volt and 0 volt of 12 volt. So now I am connected. Blue color cables is batteries negative and red color cable connected the batteries positive. So I am connecting now. When the connecting completed, then we will check it output settings. Okay, so please follow. It is output system 220 volt AC output. So now we measuring at first input and output voltage. After we will checked it is work or not and how to work this processing system. So let's go. We are testing the at first DC voltage. So now I am connecting the multimeter DC voltage range and I measuring the DC voltage in the inverter inputs. So please here check, it is 13 volt DC. Okay, now I will starting, and at first I selected the 750 volt. Now I switch is on. This switch when press on, then the here indicator lamp. So I pressing the switch, it is indicator lamp is green signal. Okay, now I input output voltage measuring. Please see, it is 217 voltage outputted. So now I off the circuited but never outputted voltage. Okay, now I 220 volt AC lamp. So now this lamp is brighted the output side. Here I checked it is brighted or not. I am two terminals the lamp and I switching here, it is okay. Now this lamp is brighted, so there all it is properly work, but we can't find it is 1500 watt actual. I think it is not. So let's go. We check it actually it is 100 watt or not. So now we open the circuit, just see the videos. It is properly how to how parts in this inverters. So I opening the screw. Okay, so here very small circuited in this inverter, so it is not properly 1500 watt, maybe it is 300 watt max power. So this is duplicate cover in the inverter circuited. So actual power maybe 300 watt, never 1500 watt. Okay, so this inverter you can use very movable portable type. It is very low weight. This inverter you can use any place. You can use the car system, so you can use solar system, any system you can use this inverter for emergency. 220 voltage need those sides, then you can use this product, but it is not original product, this is duplicate product. So today I checked it properly. This is not 1500 watt DC 12 volt to AC 230 volt. This output we get the 217 volt and input 13 volt DC provided, but actual choppers is not 1500 watt. Okay, so they are all, I think you can understand, and everyone can subscribe my channel because I always electronics work, and already subscribers, thank you so much. Goodbye.